Hello everyone, I welcome you to today's edition and episode of Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Alright, today we'll be talking about addition of matrix. Alright, first thing we need to know is that when we want to sum two matrices, the both matrix must be of the same order. For example, a 2 by 2 matrix, which is also called a square matrix. The both matrix must be of the same order. If it is a 2 by 3 matrix, the both must be of the same order. So let us peruse. Alright, let's say matrix A is a 2 by 2 matrix. Let's say 2 minus 1, 3, and 2. And matrix B is, let's say, 1, 3, 4, and 2. Let's say minus 2. Now, to sum the both matrix A plus B, what we do is we will now add up the corresponding elements. Alright, you can see that they are of the same order, so we can simply add them. If they are not of the same order, addition cannot take place. So now what we need to do, like I said, we are going to add the corresponding element. 2 plus 1. So we write 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus 3. 3 plus 4. You can see the way we are doing it, corresponding elements. That's why you see that when you want to add two matrices, they must be of the same order. 2 plus minus 2. 2 plus minus 2. Now this will now give us 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 2 plus minus 2 is what? 0. So you can see that when we add two matrices, we maintain the same order as our outcome. So now you can see that in matrix A, which is a square matrix, we have 4 elements, and in matrix B, which is a square matrix, that is a 2 by 2 matrix, we had 4 elements. And our final outcome, when we sum them both, we still have a square matrix, which is 4 elements in it. So this tells us that when we want to add matrix, we make sure that they are of the same order. They are of the same order, else addition cannot take place. Thanks for watching. Do well to follow the page Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Bye bye.